Chef Lori Hines, and I'm here with Cook Learn Grow. Welcome to cooking class. We have children's cooking classes at schools and online. And so you have signed up to join me for a cooking class involving eggs. So let's get started. Before we do start, I want to make sure that you've washed your hands. So if you haven't, I want you to press pause in just a second and I want you to go wash your hands. Make sure that when you wash your hands that you scrub really good and get lots of bubbles and count to 20 to make sure that you're washing long enough, not super fast. You want to make sure that you're doing 20 seconds and you're doing the tops and the palms and the sides and your fingers, even your wrists. Okay, 20 seconds, get lots of bubbles, go wash. I'll wait for you. Okay, welcome back. All right, let's get started. So today's lesson is working with eggs and a skillet. And so we're gonna make a cute, fun little breakfast or even a snack for after school. It's called Toad in a Hole. So I have my stove here. I'm at my stove. I'm gonna move my camera down and show you the steps to making toad in a hole. The first step is you're gonna cut out the center of your bread. So let me move my camera so I can show you. Here we go. All right, I've got all of my stuff set out. Here I've got a piece of bread with a biscuit cutter. You can see that. And then I've got butter, and I've got, you can't see because it's white on white, but I have an egg. I've got salt and pepper, and I've got some Parmesan cheese. I've got my skillet already, I've got butter in it, it's already melted, and I have a spatula here that I'm gonna use to do my flipping. All right, step number one, you're going to use a round biscuit cutter. You can also use a glass, something round, to cut out the center of the bread. So can you see this? All right. I'm going to just cut out the center of the bread. Just twist and shout. Twist and shout. I can sing and dance and cook at the same time. No, not really. Okay, that's good. Not too rough because you don't want to tear the bread. And then you want to pull it out and you have a piece of bread in there. Can you see that? So you want to just push your finger down in there and push the piece of bread out. Voila. Okay, and you can set that guy aside. And now you have a piece of bread with a hole in it. That's what you want. All right, step number two is you're going to take butter and you're going to butter the bottom of the bread. Not too much butter, but a little bit. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm just adding butter. My skillet. I'm going to turn it back on. Now while it's heating up, I'm going to use this opportunity to teach you about skillet safety. You want to use both hands to cook, always, always, always. One hand on the handle and the other hand on your utensil, whatever you're going to use to cook with. Now, I want to make sure that you are fully aware about the handle. On your handle of your skillet, this black part is safe. It's never going to get hot. And so you are fine. This is where you want to hold a firm grip. Don't hold it like you're scared of it because that's when you're going to drop it. You want to make a firm grip, okay? Now, this silver part is going to get hot. Don't touch the silver part. And of course, don't touch any part of the actual round skillet. So tight grip here and let your butter get hot. The other thing is make sure that your skillet is on the middle of the burner. See, I have a burner here. If I'm not paying attention and if it's off to the side like this, I could walk by and bump it, and you can see how it could easily fall on me and put hot butter on me or hot grease or whatever. So make sure that your skillet is in the very middle and you're paying attention. You always keep it there. You are in control. Firm grip, paying attention, letting your butter get hot, okay? So we're gonna wait a second. I can see my butter melting. You can see that it's swirling around in my pan. All right, I think it's getting hot. I'm gonna put my temperature on about medium high, and I'm gonna put my bread that has butter on it. Can you see that? I'm gonna put the butter side down. Listen for a sizzle. You can see it, it's sizzling. That tells you that your pan and your butter is hot enough. It's good, it's ready to cook. So leave it there, count to 10, sing a song, half of a song, say your ABCs. Can you remember your ABCs? Okay, and give it a second to cook. Maybe you can tell a joke while it's cooking. I have a joke. Knock, knock. Who's there? Cargo. Cargo who? Cargo beep beep. Now you can share that with your friends. Okay. I can smell the butter. It smells delicious. All right, I'm going to now turn my fire down a little bit. The next thing I'm going to teach you is how to crack an egg. All right, so I'm going to move my things over here, and I have my egg. When you're cracking an egg, you want to crack it on a surface, not on the edge of a pan. It's safer to do it on the edge of your countertop, your plate, whatever. You're going to crack it, and you can see I've got a little crack there. Once you have a crack, you want to poke both thumbs in that hole, and you want to crack your egg right over and pull apart so that the egg goes right in the hole. How about that? Remember, you want to just tap your egg, poke both thumbs in the hole, flip it over, pull it apart, and the egg goes right there. Now I'm going to add a little salt to the top of my egg. Not too much. Maybe a little pepper. And I've got some Parmesan cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. If you have American cheese, cheddar cheese, whatever you like. It's really up to you. Ooh, that's good. It's a good sound. Then you want to take your little circle of bread that you cut out and put it right on top of that egg gently, not too hard, and let it sit there for just a second. All right. And it's going to act like a little lid. It's going to help cook your egg. And we're going to turn the fire down. I've got it on about 6. And my numbers go from 1 to 10. So 6 is good. Just going to tight grip here. I'm going to push my toaster around a little bit. And I'm going to wait until it continues to cook. Let's check our egg. It's getting white. See right there? That's what we want. It's going to take probably, I don't know, maybe a minute or two. You can move it around. Make your temperature a little lower. I've got it on about, I'm going to leave it on 6. 6 is good. While that's cooking, you can clean up your mess. Cleaning is part of cooking. All right, I think he is good. He's gotten more white. All right. Now I'm going to take it out of the skillet. I think it's ready. Tight grip here. I'm going to tilt the skillet a little bit so that the bread slides onto my spatula. And I'm going to slide it off onto my plate. And there you have peekaboo, toad in a hole. Eggs with cheese. Bon appetit. I hope you enjoyed this very simple lesson that helped you learn how to safely use a skillet and how to crack an egg. Hope you enjoy Toad in a Hole. Thanks for joining us here at Cook, Learn, Grow. Happy cooking.